Integral of sine square x is just half into 1 minus cos 2x, integrate it, x by 2 minus sine 2x divided by 4 is the integrated answer. Term by term division, integral of 1 by cos is secant square, 1 by sine square is cosecant square, integral of secant square is tan, integral of cosecant square is minus cot x. You know what is differentiation of sine inverse x? Differentiation of sine inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x square is sine inverse of x. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty department of mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the temple of excellence. So in this session I am going to take the very important revision problems on calculus. So integration of trigonometrical functions. Now let us move on to the problems. These type of problems are very important for the point of examination. So some problems can be done by the method of substitution and some problems can be done by using the formulas of trigonometrical functions like multiple angles, submultiple angles. Now move on to the first problem. Evaluate sine cube x cos square x dx. Now these are all important type problems for 2 or 3 markers. So you may expect this type of questions for 2 marks or 3 marks. Now what is given? Integral of sine cube x into cos square x dx. Now this can be written as, now let us split this as sine cube can be written as sine square x into sine x, sine square x into sine x, and this cos square x as it is, right, into dx. Now this can be written as sine square can be written as 1 minus cos square x, 1 minus cos square x into remaining sin x into cos square x dx as is it. Now let us take the substitution. You can take t, put t is equal to cos x. Now what is differentiation of cos x? Dt by dx is equal to differentiation of cos x is minus sin x and minus dt is equal to sin x dx. See, this integral reduces to integral 1 minus, what is the substitution we have taken? Put t is equal to cos x. Cos square is nothing but t square into this cos square is again t square. This sin x dx can be written as minus dt. You can take minus out, multiply t square into 1 is t square minus t to the power of 4 dt. Now integrate this, that's it. So this is equal to minus integral of t square is t to the power of 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by 3 minus integral of t to the power of 4 is 4 plus 1 is 5 divided by 5 plus c, the constant of integration. Now substitute the value of t. What is t we have taken? T is equal to cos x. So this can be written as cos cube x by 3 minus cos to the power of 5 times x divided by 5 plus c is the integrated answer. That's it. This is how we are going to integrate it. So here, see here, sine cube can be written as sine square x into sine x, cos square x as it is. Sine square can be written as 1 minus cos square. Put t is equal to cos x. So this becomes 1 minus t square. Cos square is t square. Sin x dx will reduce us to minus dt. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So this becomes 1 minus t square into t square minus dt, minus out t square into 1 is t square into t square is t to the power of 4. Integral of t square is t cube by 3. T raised to 4 is 4 plus 1 5 by 5. Put t is equal to cos cube x by 3 minus cos to the power of 5x divided by 5 plus c is the integrated answer. Okay. Now move on to the next problem. This is very important. There are so many problems like sine square x, cos square x, sine square x into cos square x. Now let us make use of the formulas like this. Now we have studied sine 2x, cos 2x. Cos 2x can be written as 1 minus 2 sine square x. So if you interchange this, 2 sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. So sine square x is equal to half into 1 minus cos 2x. Similarly, what is the formula for cos square x? Cos square x is equal to half into 1 plus cos 2x. These two formulas are very important. So for sine square x, what is the formula? Sine square x can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 minus cos 2x. Substitute here, integral 1 over 2 into 1 minus cos 2x dx. So 1 by 2 out, integrate it. Integration of dx is x. Integral of cos 2x is sin 2x divided by 2 plus c. Now this can be written as x by 2 minus sin of 2x divided by 2 to the 4 plus c is the integrated answer. That's it. So integral of sin square x is just half into 1 minus cos 2x, integrate it, x by 2 minus sin 2x divided by 4 is the integrated answer. Hope you followed. Suppose if it is cos square, integral of cos square x dx. Suppose if it is cos square can be written as half into, what is the formula for cos square? 1 plus cos 2x into dx. Half into integration of dx is x plus integration of cos 2x is sin 2x divided by 2 plus c. That's it. So here for sin it is minus, for cos it is plus. That's it. Now move on to the next problem. What is the next problem? Integral of 1 over sin square x into cos square. This is very important problem. You may expect this problem for the point of examination. Very simple problem. 1 can be written as sin square x plus cos square x divided by denominator is same into dx. You know what is sin square theta plus cos square theta? Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So in the numerator just put sin square plus cos square, term by term division. This is equal to integral of sin square x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx plus integral of cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. Cos square gets cancelled, sin square gets cancelled. 1 over cos square x, 1 over cos square dx plus 1 over sin square x dx. Now what is this equal to? 1 by cos theta is secant theta, reciprocal relation. This is secant square x dx plus integral of 1 over sin square is cosecant square x dx. So 1 over cos square is secant square, 1 over sin square is cosecant square. Now what is integral of secant square? Is tan x, right? Differentiation of tan x is secant square, integral of secant square x is tan x. Again, plus integral of cosecant square x is minus cot x plus c, right? What is differentiation of cot x? Minus cosecant. So therefore this can be written as tan x minus cot x plus c is the integrated. So the integrated answer for this is tan x minus cot x plus c. That's it. Very simple problem indeed and important, right? Now let's move on to the next problem. Sin cube x dx. Now this sin cube can be written as, split this, sin square x into sin x dx. So this can be written as sin square is 1 minus cos square x into sin x dx. Now take the substitution. Put t is equal to cos x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So sin x dx is equal to minus dt. This becomes 1 minus t square into minus dt. Now minus out, you can write 1 minus t square dt, integrate it. Minus integral of dt is t, minus t square is t cube by 3 plus c. That is, substitute the value of t. What is t? T is equal to cos x minus cos cube x divided by 3 plus c is the integrated answer. Very simple problem and very important. Now listen, let me explain once again. Sin cube can be done as sin square x into sin x. Sin square is 1 minus cos square. Put t is equal to cos x. So differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So minus dt is equal to sin x dx. This becomes 1 minus t square into minus dt, minus out. Integration of dt is t. Integral of t square is t cube by 3. And just substitute the value of t. What is t? Cos x minus cos cube x by 3 plus c is the integrated answer. This is first method. There is another method to solve this. This can also be solved using, we know this formula. Sin 3x, sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Get the value of sin cube from this, that's it. So interchange this 4 sin cube x is equal to 3 sin x minus sine 3x, or only sine cube x is equal to 1 over 4 into 3 sin x minus sine 3x. So the given integral can be written as this integral sine cube is nothing but 1 over 4 times 3 sin x minus sine 3x dx. Now integrate it, that's it. 1 over 4 out. Integration of sin x is cos x minus cos x. 1 over 4 out. Integration of sin x is minus cos x minus 3 cos x minus integration of sin 3x is minus cos 3x divided by 3 plus c. This can be written as plus c. This is 1 over 4 times minus 3 cos x minus into minus plus cos 3x divided by 3 plus c is the integrated answer. So you can also solve like this. So both methods are same. That's it. Okay. That's why these are called as indefinite integrals. So the your answer is minus cos x by cos cube x by 3. Whereas here 1 by 4 into minus 3 cos x plus cos 3x divided by 3 plus c. This is how we are going to solve. Any method you can use to solve this. This is second method. Now let us move on to the next problem. Next set of problem. Integrate the following function with respect to x. This is also a very important problem for 2 mark. 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. Now for this we are making use of half angle formulas. You know what is cos x? Cos x is also equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. So if you interchange this, 2 sin square x by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos x. So 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. Similarly, 1 plus cos x is nothing but 2 cos square x by 2. Right? 2 cos square x by 2, because cos x is also equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Minus 1 becomes plus 1. So this given integral can be written as integral 1 minus cos x is 2 times sin square x by 2 divided by 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 times cos square x by 2 dx. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Sin square by cos square is tan square x by 2 plus tan square x by 2 into dx. So what is integral of tan square? We don't have integration of tan square. This can be written as integral secant square x by 2 minus 1 into dx, because 1 plus tan square is equal to secant square x. Only tan square x is equal to secant square x minus 1. So tan square is equal to secant square minus 1. So this can be written as integral of secant square is tan x by 2 divided by a. What is a? A is 1 by 2 minus integration of dx is x plus c. Just take this to the numerator. This becomes 2 times tan x by 2 minus x plus c is the integrated answer. That's it. Very simple. See, tan square can be written as secant square x by 2 minus 1. Then integral of secant square x is tan x, right? Because differentiation of tan x is secant square x. So integral of secant square x by 2 is tan x by 2 divided by a. What is a? A is nothing but the coefficient of x is 1 by 2 minus integration of dx is x. Bring this to the denominator. 2 by 1 is 2. Tan x by 2 minus x plus c is the integrated answer. Right. Now move on to the next problem. So integrate this. This is also a very important problem. Sin square x minus cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square. This is same as that of the previous problem. In the previous problem it was plus, now it is minus in term by term division. So this can be as sin square x divided by sin square x cos square x minus cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx, term by term division. So cancel that terms here. Sin square gets cancelled. 1 over cos square x minus cos square and cos square gets cancelled. 1 over sin square x dx. This is equal to integral of 1 over cos square is secant square minus 1 over sin square is cosecant square x. Now that's equal to integrating. Integral of secant square x is tan x. Cosecant square x is minus cot x. So integral of secant square x is tan x minus integral of cosecant square x is minus cot x plus c. This is equal to tan x minus into minus plus cot x plus C is the answer. That's it. So this is same as that of the previous problem. The previous problem it was plus, so answer is minus. Tan x minus cot x for the first one. Now it is tan x plus, sorry, in the first answer tan x minus cot x. Now it is tan x plus cot x. That's it. Very simple problem, right? Term by term division. Integral of 1 by cos is secant square, 1 by sin square is cosecant square, integral of secant square is tan, integral of cosecant square is minus cot x. Now move on to the next problem. This is also important for 2 or 3 marks. Integrate sin 3x into cos 2x dx. Now this can also be written as integral of cos 3x into sin 2x dx. If you observe carefully, this is of the form cos A sin B. Cos A sin B. What is the formula for cos A sin B? Now there is one formula. Cos A sin B is equal to half of transformation formula sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. That's it. So half of sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. This can be written as half out. This is A and this is B. Half is out. Sin A plus B 3x plus 2x minus sin of 3x minus 2x into dx. This is 1 by 2 out. Integral of sin 5x minus sin x dx. Now this can be written as 1 by 2 into integration of sin 5x is minus cos 5x divided by 5 minus integration of sin x is minus cos x, right, plus c. Now this can also be written as multiply by 2. So this is minus cos of 5x divided by 5 2s are 10, minus into minus plus cos x divided by 2 plus c is the integrated answer. Minus 5 cos x by 10 plus cos x divided by 2 plus c is the integrated answer. Very important type. So using transformation formulas, just make use of sin A cos B, cos A sin B, sin A sin B, cos A cos B, right? We'll get the answer. Now move on to the next concept. Some important integrals, very important. You may expect one question from this for 5 marks. So one 5 mark question will be from this part or by integration by parts. Some important integrals, we have 6-7 integrals. Let me take very important problems. Now evaluate 1 over x square plus a square or a square plus x square. Now, so this given integral can be written as integral 1 over x square plus a square or a square plus x square, one and the same. Let us take the substitution. This is very important problem indeed. Now put x is equal to a tan theta. Differentiate it. Dx by d theta is equal to a into differentiation of tan theta is secant square theta. Only dx is equal to a secant square theta d theta. Now substitute here. This becomes given integral 1 over a square as it is. What is x? X is equal to a tan theta. X square can be written as a square tan square theta into what is dx? Dx is equal to a secant square theta d theta. Now this can be written as this integral becomes 1 over, you can take a square out, a square into 1 plus tan square theta into a secant square theta d theta. Since what is 1 plus tan square? 1 plus tan square and secant square gets cancelled. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. 1 a and a also gets cancelled. This is 1 over a into integration of d theta. Now this can be written as 1 over a out, 1 over a into integration of d theta. 1 over a into integration of d theta is theta plus c. Now what is theta from this? Since x is equal to a tan theta, which implies x by a is equal to tan theta, theta is equal to tan inverse of x by a. So this is 1 over a tan inverse x by a plus c. So therefore integral of 1 over a square plus x square dx is equal to 1 over a tan inverse of x by a plus c is the integrated answer. So along with this they may ask one example, evaluate, hence find integral 1 over x square plus 9 dx. So this can be written as 1 over x square plus 9 can be written as 3 square. 1 over, what is a square? 3 square, a is equal to 3, 1 over a, 1 over 3 tan inverse x by 3 plus c is the integrated answer. That's it. Okay. Now move on to the next one, second one. 1 over a square minus x square or x square minus a square. Two problems are, this can be solved by the method of partial fractions. Now 1 over a square minus x square can also be written as, what is the formula? This is of a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Now divide this. Let 1 over a square minus x square can be written as a by first factor, a by a plus x plus b by second factor, a minus x. Now here this is, take LCM, this two gets cancelled. 1 is equal to a into a minus x plus b into a plus x. Now put x is equal to, if you put x is equal to a, you will get 1 is equal to a into a minus a becomes 0 plus b into a plus a is 2a. So you can take b is equal to 1 over 2a. Similarly, if you substitute, put x is equal to minus a, then 1 is equal to a into minus a plus a, yes, a minus into minus a plus a is 2a and b becomes 0. You will get 1 is equal to 2a into capital A. Therefore, a is also equal to 1 by 2a. So this equation number 1 becomes, equation 1 becomes 1 over a square minus x square is equal to 1 over 2a by a plus x plus b. B is also 1 over 2a divided by a minus x. Now this can also be written as 1 over 2a out 1 over a plus x plus 1 over a minus. Now integrate it, that's it. Now the given integral becomes, so therefore given integral 1 over a square minus x square dx can be written as 1 over 2a times integral of 1 over a plus x minus plus 1 over a minus x dx. Now this is 1 over 2a into integration of 1 over a plus x is log a plus x plus integration of 1 over a minus x is log a minus x divided by coefficient of x is minus 1 plus c. So this is 1 over 2a into log of a plus x minus log of a minus x plus c. This is nothing but 1 over 2 into log m minus n is log of mod a plus x divided by a minus x plus c is the integrated answer, right? So therefore, what is the conclusion? Integral of 1 over a square minus x square dx is always equal to 1 over 2a log mod a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. This is very important problem. Otherwise, you can also solve by just multiplying, dividing here. Just multiply and divide by 2a and simplify. You will get the answer. Same step you will be going to get. Now, suppose in the examination they may ask one more example. For example, evaluate. Hence, find the value of 1 over 4 minus x square dx. This is of the form 1 over 4 can be written as 2 square minus x square dx. So, 1 over 2a into log, what is the formula? A plus x. A plus x is nothing but 2 plus x divided by 2 minus x plus c, or this is equal to 1 over 4 times log 2 plus x divided by 2 minus x plus c is the integrated answer. Very important, you may expect this or that for 5 marks, right? Now, similarly, there is one more problem, 1 over x square minus a square, right? Now, move on to the next type of problems. Next problem, this is also very important, evaluate 1 over a square minus x square. This can also be evaluated by taking the substitution, put x is equal to a sin theta. Differentiate this, dx by d theta is equal to, differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. So, dx is equal to a cos theta into d theta. Further, x is equal to a sin theta means x by a is equal to sin theta, which implies theta is equal to sin inverse of x by a. Now, therefore, this given integral becomes given integral 1 over root of a square minus x is nothing but a sin theta, x square is a sin square theta into what is dx? Dx is equal to a cos theta d theta. a cos theta into d theta. This is integral 1 over. You can take a square out, 1 minus sin square theta into a cos theta d theta. Integral 1 over root of a square is a into root of 1 minus sin square is cos square theta into a cos theta d theta. A gets cancelled. What we have, square root also gets cancelled. We will get 1 by cos theta into cos theta d theta. Here cos and cos gets cancelled. Integration of 1 into d theta is theta. Integration of d theta is theta. Right. See here. So a gets cancelled. Square root gets cancelled. 1 by cos theta into cos theta. Cos and cos gets cancelled. D theta. Integration of d theta is theta. What is theta from this? Sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse of x by a plus c. So therefore integral 1 over root of a square minus x square dx is equal to sin inverse of x by a plus c. That's it. See, for example, integral 1 over root of 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square, 1 can be written as 1 square. So this is nothing but sin inverse of x by 1 plus c. What is this equal to? Sin inverse x plus c. Right. You know what is differentiation of sin inverse x? Differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x square is sin inverse of x. That's it. Right. Now move on to the next type of problem. That is, this is also very important for 3 marks, definite sure questions. You may expect this type of questions for the point of examination. This is by the method of partial fractions. Now let us write, let 1 over x plus 1 into x plus 2 as a by first factor x plus 1 plus b by second factor x plus 2. Let us represent this as equation number 1. So this is 1 over x plus 1 into x plus 2. Take LCM. LCM is x plus 1 into x plus 2 cross multiplied a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. These two gets cancelled. You have a1 is equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Now put x is equal to minus 2. What you will get? 1 is equal to a into minus 2 plus b into minus 2 plus 1. This gets cancelled. 1 is equal to b into minus 1. Therefore, b is equal to minus 1. Similarly, put x is equal to minus 1. If you put x is equal to minus 1, what you will get? 1 is equal to a into x is minus 1 plus 2 plus b into minus 1 plus 1. These two gets cancelled. 2 minus 1 is 1. Therefore, a is equal to 1. Right. So, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2. Equation 1 becomes, therefore, equation 1 becomes 1 over x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to a. What is a? A is 1 divided by x plus 1 plus b. What is b? B is equal to minus 1 divided by x plus 2. Now integrate it. So put integral symbol. 1 over x plus 1 into x plus 2 integral dx is equal to integration of 1 over x plus 1 minus 1 over x plus 2 dx. So integration of 1 over x plus 1 is log x plus 1 minus integration of 1 over x plus 2 is log x plus 2 plus c, or this can also be written as log m minus n is log m by n, log of x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 under mod plus c. That's it. This is the required answer for the given problem. Hope you followed. Now there is one more similar problem. What we have in the numerator, x divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2. Same as that of the previous problem, but here 1 divided by denominator x plus 1, x plus 2. Here x divided by x plus 1. Same type. Resolve this into the partial fraction. Let x divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to a by first factor x plus 1 plus b by second factor x plus 2, equation number 1. If you cross multiply, you will get x is equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Same as usual, put x is equal to minus 2. If you put x is equal to minus 2, here minus 2 is equal to a into minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled 0 plus b into minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 is equal to b into minus 1. So therefore minus minus gets cancelled, b is equal to plus 2. Minus minus get. Similarly, put x is equal to minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 1. You will get minus 1 is equal to a into minus 1 plus 2 plus b into x is equal to minus 1 plus 1. This gets cancelled. Minus 1 is equal to a into plus 1. Therefore, a is equal to minus 1. Now, substitute here. Equation 1 becomes, equation 1 becomes x divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to a. What is a? Minus 1 divided by x plus 1 plus b divided by, b is 2 divided by x plus 2. Now put integral symbol, x divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx is equal to, this is integral of minus x plus 1 plus 2 divided by x plus 2 dx. Now integrate it. Integral of 1 over x plus 1 is minus log x plus 1 plus 2 into integration of 1 over x plus 2 is log x plus 2 plus c. Now this can also be written as minus log of x plus 1 plus n log m is log m to the power of n, log of x plus 2 whole square plus c. Now just write first this log of x plus 2 whole square minus log of x plus 1 plus c. If you want, you can stop here itself, or you can also write like this, or this is equal to log m minus n is log m by n, log of x plus 2 whole square divided by x plus 1 plus c is the integrated answer. That's it. This is how we are going to evaluate by the method of partial fractions. So very important, we expect 1 3 marks question from partial fractions, right? These are very important type of problems for the point of examination for 2 marks, 3 marks and 5 marks. So that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with the different concept in the next session. Thank you very much.